how to allow block notifications in Chrome browser. So I'm going to show you in this video, and I'm going to show you in Windows, but you can follow the same step if you're using the any device, like if you're using iPhone or Android phone, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video, guys. I'm going to show you the all settings about notification. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser. Okay, so this is my Chrome browser, guys. So before we go ahead, we need to check one things, which is we have to check whether our Chrome browser up to date or not. So how you can check it? Just click on this three dot icon, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can see the Chrome browser is up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be start updating automatically, and after update you need to just relaunch it, then Chrome browser will be restart. Now for the notification settings, we need to go in settings. At your left side there is the sidebar, which is go to the privacy and security option from your Chrome, and we need to go site settings under this, and just scroll down, and under the permission section we need to go in notifications. So here you can see the all notification settings. So from here you can allow or block the notifications. So you can see there is a three option. First option for you can allow the notifications, second option Chrome send you the minimum notification, and third for you don't want any notification from all side, you can block all notification from this site. Okay, if you want to disallow the notification, you have to select this. If you want to allow the notification, you have to select this. Okay, so there is there is one more option, which is customize behavior. So you can customize some site here to send notification. Okay, for example, if you select this one to don't allow site to send notification, but you want notification from particular site, then you can select this one, and you can add particular site under this section. That means it will be send you the notification. So you just click on add, and type enter the link, and this website will be allow the send the notification even you have select this. Okay, same as you can also add some site to not allow notification from these sections. Okay, so it is very useful, and you can customize as per requirement. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.